this message. It is New Year's morning, and we'll just like to say happy 2023. Hope nobody drank and drive. Hope everybody's well, and hope everybody has a wonderful next revolution around the sun. And if you've watched my channel from the beginning, the middle, to the end, wherever, thanks for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers that have subscribed. Hopefully, I'm hoping I'll have at least 900 by New Year's, but we can dream. I can dream all I want. And I hope everybody has a wonderful year. Stay safe. Don't drink and drive. Stay home, recover, have some dinner, and rock on. And if you have any good channel suggestions, put them in the comments. If you liked my channel, put them in the comments. If you want to see anything on my channel, put it in the comments. If you don't like something, politely put it in the comments. Tell me you don't like it. You do have to understand it's my channel and I do whatever the hell I want. So if you don't like it, well, too bad. It's up to me. But I will, Also, somebody asked me and if you want to see something more, have a question. Honest to God, I'm not an expert at anything. So, like, if you have one of these and it broke and whatever, you want to see some, maybe I can help you. Maybe I can't. I know somebody asked about the, what was it? The ring roller once. It was nice to actually make a video. I don't know if they watched the thing, but somebody asked me about a Harbor Freight metal shear I'm problems with. I'm going to try to make a video for that. Or I might have already done it by the time, but thanks to all my subscribers. I never thought I'd have my own YouTube channel. Also, I'd like to thank Arco for going, yeah, you should make your own YouTube channel. Thank you, Arco. It's awesome. Also, if you're new here, hey, I'm doing all kinds of weird things. I cut up things like this. I use camera mounts like this. I use lubricant like this. I have old hammers like this, and I just do whatever the hell I want. The channel has become my hobby. I've always done stuff. I've never done stuff as much as this in my life before, because this garage, the garage I'm in right now, is at the peak of owning stuff, like tools. Like before, I had one or two tools. I had a shitty old Mastercraft grinder, had cutting discs, and maybe I had 4 flap discs and 1 grinder. And as you grow, you buy more junk and you buy more tools, and one breaks and you buy another one just for the battery and stuff like that. You see things at auctions, and what do you call it? Like this shelf behind me right here. It's the trophy shelf. I just go to antique stores and garage sales and buy old tools, and who knows, it'll be worth something these days. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and like I said, Happy New Year. Another revolution on the sun, and it's all good. Thanks for watching, and toodles.